In this week's episode of the Great New South Wales and Queensland Adventure, we're heading back to the Natural Bridge Circuit. But this time, we're seeing it in a completely different light, literally. After exploring this incredible spot at night in last week's episode, it's time to come back during the day and see what this rainforest, waterfall, and natural rock formation really look like. So let's hit the trail and explore the Natural Bridge Circuit in the daylight. Let's get into it. Alright guys, today we have come to see Natural Bridge Circuit in the daytime after we were here last night in last week's vlog seeing it of a nighttime. So this is gonna be a bit different. I'm excited to see how much we can see. Don't need a head torch this time, but I'm gonna get a shirt on and we're gonna get going. Alrighty guys, we are now at the trailhead exactly where I was last night, and we are about to go on this awesome walk, and we're actually going to be able to see a lot more. So let's get started. I have no idea if you guys can even see him, but wow, that he literally just went hoppity hoppity hop and down there. I was not expecting that. Oh my god. He looks like a Joey. Hi, little guy. Off he goes. Oh my god. That was so cool. Look at him. Hi, little guy. Oh, that's so cool. I'll take my backpack off and take photos, but I'm scared to scare him. There he goes. Oh my god, that's so cool. I don't want to linger there too long and annoy him because I'm in his house after all. So I will leave him to be a little scavenger. I imagine he's scavenging for some munchies. This place is so wicked in the daytime. Look at that. That is incredible. Wow. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful in the day. I've got to say, I'm so glad to be in just somewhere sunny. Funny that it happens to be Queensland.
But it's just been so nice to finally get away from all the rain I was dealing with. But now, while this walk is easy, I feel like it's just very pretty, you know? It's just a nice walk to do. So now I'm just enjoying the sunshine, no rain, and a nice walk, and I can see the waterfall in the cave now. Ah, exciting! To think we were here less than 24 hours ago and we saw a completely different side of this park. Wow. That's incredible. Which is insane. The difference in here, night versus day, incredible. She talks a hard work but can't leave her bed. She says she's got sad, guess it's real bad. Cause here's what she said to me: I'm only happy in the summer. I'm only happy when there's blue skies up above. I'm only happy with you, lover. Just wish the sun would shine for us. The sun would shine for us. And now we are going to finish the circuit back to the car, and then I actually have some errands to run today. So we're going to go top up with fuel. We're going to go to a laundromat and do a load of washing. Because it's been so wet, I haven't really had a chance to do any washing because I haven't been convinced that it's going to dry. So go do that and run some other little errands as well while we're out. So that section back there is the part that actually flows into the cave that we were in, which is pretty cool. So obviously you're not allowed to swim here, obvious reasons, glowworm habitat, ecological damage, all that kind of fun stuff. But it would be a very nice place for a swim, I can't lie. But the waterfall itself is magnificent. I don't even care that I can't go for a swim in it. It's beautiful to even just witness. I certainly did not spot these last night. Wow. And just like that, we are back to where we turned down. So starting the walk, we went down there, and then on the way back up, we come out from there. So that's a little walk. Very, very easy walk. Not very far at all. But it's really nice. I really like it. It reminds me a lot of the Wonga Walk in Dorrigo. Honestly, I prefer this one. Alrighty guys, I'm getting the pack off and getting in the car, and we're gonna do a bit of driving, which will work out well because it'll charge my big battery a little bit more. I did get it up to half charge today with the solar panel, which I was happy with. So yeah, we're gonna do a lot of driving. I probably won't bore you guys with all the errands I'm gonna run, but we shall see. Alright guys, this afternoon has been quite a mission. So I put my washing on, then I went and grabbed a bite to eat that wasn't spaghetti. I went to a very nice tavern, Ashton Tavern, I believe it was. Very, very nice burger. And then I went back to the laundromat, put my stuff in the dryer, went food shopping, and now I'm back at camp. Now this place is now packed because there is in fact a festival on tomorrow that I am not attending. I actually wasn't aware of it. So it was quite a shock when a bunch of people started turning up today. But we're just going to set up camp for the night, and we're going to be out early-ish tomorrow. I want to be out of here by about 10, and we're going to go on a epic hike.